What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. Alright, so just finished packaging up some orders. They're ready to go. Still not finished with all the orders yet. Like I said, I still have a few more that I have to actually make and get ready to ship out. But I do have a big old stack right here that's gonna go out. These are the ones that I held back because of having COVID. And thank God we're finally negative, and we're doing good. Still have a little bit of symptoms, which suck. You know, I still have a cough and everything, but knowing that I'm not gonna be spreading it to you guys is good. So we're shipping them out now. Some of the homies, Brian and Miguel, were gonna be coming over. As you guys see the title, we're gonna have to let go of the 22s. Well, we don't have to, but I've had them already for 5 years already, 4 or 5 years, and I want to go for a different look now with the rims. I love them. They look amazing. They're great. They look good with the truck. They match the color good. But I have been wanting to go with a different pair, a different color. See, different size too. I want to go 20s now. See what 20s look like. So right now I'm gonna continue to work a little bit until the homies come over, and then let's have some fun. But for now, back to work. Yeah, boy. I'm also putting some of these in each order. They're freaking tiny. I love them. Look at that. I don't know about you guys, but I freaking hate these emergencies. They're nasty. They're nasty. It was cool when I couldn't taste them, but now I can taste them. I wish it tastes more like orange. It's... This thing is still here. They haven't picked it up yet. Man, the truck's been out on the street for like a week already. I've been wanting to wash it too, but my water hose doesn't reach all the way over there. I might just drive it into the driveway right here, right at the edge, and just wash it there. But I just want this thing gone. It blocks some of my light too when I have the garage door open and everything. And I mean, I don't know how we're gonna change the tires right there on the street. The weather is finally starting to get fresher. It's been like months that it's probably been like a whole month and a half where it's just been like 90 to like 105. It freaking sucks. Today is the lowest it's been for a while. Today is 88, and it's freaking amazing. I'm able to be in here with the garage door closed and now freaking sweat like crazy. Or
bro, that's the fucking hood I want from Street Concept. Are you kidding me?
Gonna test fit those wheels.
On those
right here?
No, not that one.
That's dirty. It's on the other side.
No, that's curb rash too. Oh no, it's dirty.
It's on the other side, bro.
How bad is it? It's just one wheel? Oh no, I'm gonna miss these wheels, bro. Never mind. I'm gonna miss them.
I told Miguel, I was like, if I do get them, I'm not gonna.
Oh. Professional. Oi.
Go up a little bit.
Forward?
Right there.
Forward? Right there.
Ay, hijo, se cayó.
Está vivo todavía.
Está vivo.
Lower it.
A little teaser.
I'm taking the same. Oh shit.
Hey, call Renee, bro.
I don't have this one. Then I'm gonna go back to regular
Damn.
lug nuts.
Solid. Damn, I like it. What do you guys think? Damn, we got a whole truck meet right here, bro.
There's a rubber flats too, all four.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Damn.
Oh, I thought you actually hit your head.
Oh yeah. Man, that was a good race, man. He has a 6.0, pretty much full bolt-ons, kind of. Not tuned on the headers yet though. But the last time I raced him, he also beat me, but barely, bro. Barely. But man, for the Denali not being tuned with the headers and not having that many, pretty much not many fucking engine modifications, and it being a 5.3, it did really good against the single cab. I'll take the loss though. That's 0-2 on my end. Fuck, I've lost him twice already. But next time, we're gonna take that dub. It's all friendly though. Friendly, fun runs, you know. But yeah, that shit did pretty good. This was all happy because I let him move the truck. You happy or what? All right, so I'm gonna get back to work and then we're gonna end this vlog after. I just have one more thing to do and we're good.
Oh, my bad. My bad.
I was bringing it right now. I was like, aren't they gonna need it? Or something.
Damn. Damn.
The gas tank has a hole.
Like that lever right there. Lifted. No, I just kidding. Damn, I'll be fucking scraping even more now. Do me a favor, bro.
I'll take care of them.
Take care of them and fucking drop it more.
I will. No, I'm gonna put the 6-inch. Hey.
Let's trade wheels.
Nah, I'm gonna drop it front and back.
I already miss them, bro.
4 and 6 in
But it's time to go race truck now. No more show. Like if I had show wheels.
It's chill, but chill. They are show wheels.
Oh, you're right.
Chill.
Damn. Alright guys, so I absolutely freaking love this new look on the truck. These 20s are freaking beautiful. They just need a good detail, good clean, so they could shine a little bit more. Plus my truck does need a wash anyways. This is freaking filthy. But here it is during the day. Probably wash it in the next vlog. Wow, that is freaking awesome, man. We got the extra tires in the garage right there, and I am looking into getting some Nero NT05s so we could start getting some numbers out this truck and finally tuning it. Ooh, the front has a little camera right there. Look at that. Nice. Alright, so we're gonna end the vlog right here, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Finally something new to the Denali, and we're gonna be doing more in the next video because I want to do a deep clean on the interior, take off all the seats, vacuum everything very good, even like probably wash it and everything, just to have her nice and clean, because the last time we drove her far was to the meet in Santa Ana, and we had McDonald's in there and the bag is still in there, so the truck smells greasy inside and I hate that so much. We should have taken out that bag right away, but we are going to be cleaning everything, making sure everything smells good. We're going to be throwing an air freshener in there. We'll also be washing the truck, cleaning the rims in the next video as well. So see you guys then. And since we are now negative from COVID, I'm going to be shipping out orders again, so expect yours very soon. Within the next week after watching this, you should have your order already. So yeah, thank you guys so much for everything. Thank you guys for waiting. Thank you guys for all the support. I wouldn't be here making videos still if it weren't for you guys. So thank you guys very much. Damn, somebody either crashed or doing a burnout. I don't know. But thank you guys for watching. Take care, everybody. TCB, keep taking care of business. Peace. Peace out, everybody. Drop a thumbs up down in the comments if you like how the truck looks with these 20s. Thank you, guys.